Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video recording to kind of show you the issues that I'm having with Canva right now, and to see if anybody has a solution, or if there is no solution, and then I'm rightfully upset with this application because I've had a very terrible experience trying to figure this out. So when you open up my presentation here, there should be 9 pages for my ebook, and when you go to every even page, it's blank. And now what should be on page number 2 shows up on page 3. Go to page 4, it's blank. What shows up on page 5 is my 3rd page. This should be page 3. And I never even get through my entire ebook. On page 9, it's only what should be page 5 for me, and then 6, 7, 8, and 9 are nowhere to be found. When you go to the actual thing right here, if I go to edit, it'll take me to the editing option, and now you'll see that all 9 pages exist. There's no blanks. They're ordered as they should be, 1 through 9, nothing else, no blanks in between. I've tried multiple different ways to publish this, pretty much every single option that it has. I've tried downloading it, and I've tried almost all of the different download files. You'll notice if I download it as a PDF that the same issue will happen. So go ahead and do this. It's downloading. When I open up the PDF file, same thing. All of the evens will be blank and white, and my presentation is not there. So I was just wondering if anybody else has ever experienced this. I mean, I've seen a bunch of people use this in class, and I'm assuming that I don't have to pay for anything. I didn't use any of their premium options, so I have no idea why it's doing this. It's very frustrating. I've spent entirely way too much time trying to figure it out, and at this point I'm just throwing in the towel and kind of vowing to never use Canva again unless somebody's able to show me why this is happening. For the purpose of you being able to read my ebook, I will slowly scroll from page to page right here so that you can actually read it and grade it.